Hello friends, welcome back again in this tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about the logical operators and how we have to use in our program. So we have three logical operators. First one is AND operator, second one OR, and third one is NOT operator. So how we have to use these operators we will discuss in this tutorial. So first one is AND operator. So why we have to use AND operators? Let us suppose we have two conditions and we want that these two conditions both true, then it will show us true. So for that we would need the AND operators. In further videos, in the future videos, we will use some statements, condition statements. In those conditions, AND operator is most important. We want that when these two conditions true, so it will enter the conditional statements, so it run only the specific term or task. Okay, so or only one of them condition is true, then it will give us a true. For example, if first condition is true and the second condition is true, for AND operator it shows our 1. For OR, if first one is true, second one false, so it shows us true. This first one 0 or false, second one 1, it shows true. Both the 0, so it shows 0. Okay, for AND operators, if any one of them is false, so it shows us false. It only gives true when both the conditions true. And we all know not, if we make the conditions that 8 is not equal to 9, so it shows true. If says 8 equal if any variable equal to the some variable, so it's not able to shows the true value, it's a negate. Okay, so how we have to use it, I try to run the program and we will find out that how it works actually in the program. Okay, so I will declare a variable, so int a comma b comma c, so three variables. I close my statements here. I use printf, enter the first variable value, I mean a. Okay, so first one is a. Then I use scanf %d, so whatever the value we taken from our keyboard, it should be allocated to variable a. So for b and c I will do the same thing. Okay, this one, so this is for second variable, so it allocate to b. Then third variable, so it allocate to the whatever the digital value in taken from our keyboard, it will be it will be stored into the variable c. So we will write the condition. Okay, printf, which shows double quotes, if a equal to b and b equal to c. If our three values true, a equal to b and b equal to c, if these two conditions true, it shows 1, otherwise 0. So I write here result equal to %d. So I will write here, so it's just a message, a is just a message. Okay, so I will write here, or we can say %d, you can use %d here, %d, %d, %d. If you want value, you want that this value will fetched from the variable, so I write it down here. So I will write again, a equal to b and b equal to c. Okay, so this is the result. Whatever the result, it will shows in the result section. Okay, so this for and. Okay, we will run the code. I will run the code. Okay, it shows 0 because they are not true. A equal to B and B equal to C, it's not true, so that's why it shows 0. I rerun again and I type the value again, so that time 7, 7 and 7, both, all the three elements, all the three variables is 7, so it will shows 1 because both the conditions true. What happened? What if I shows 7 for A7 and B7 and for 8 for C8? So it shows 0 because first condition is true. A equal to B is 7, but B equal to C is not true, so that's why it shows result 0. So it's for AND operator. So how we have to use OR operator? So I will use OR operator, and for OR we use pipe sign here. So if one condition is true, A equal to B, if this true, or B equal to C true, you can use less than, greater than, whatever you want to say, but I use equal to. Okay, if one of them true, it shows true. Both are false, then false. Okay, if one true, then it's true. Both are true. If this false and this false, then it shows 0. Okay, I run again. 7, 8 and 8. It means first variable A, the value of A variable is 7, and for B 8 and C 8. Our B and C, this condition is true, first one is false, but it shows true. This is the work of OR. So it shows result 1 because one of them is true. It doesn't mean that you should all the conditions should be true, all the conditions should satisfy the this true value, then it shows true. It doesn't mean for OR only one is sufficient. If one statement is true, so it shows you 1. What happen if write it down different values 7, 8 and 9, then it shows false because A is not equal to B, false, B is not equal to C, false, and false is false. Okay, what happen if I write all the values same? A equal to B is 7, true, 1. B equal to C is 7, true, means 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 1. For OR it's 1. We all know that truth table of OR and for AND, if our first value is 1 and another second value is 1, it shows 1, 1 0 0 0 1 0, then 1 1 1. See, and just shows 1 for both the conditions if true. For only one, we require only one condition should be true. Okay, so what happened? And not. Okay, so we run again for not. For not we use negation sign. So I will use this, not equal to. A not equal to B and B is not equal to C. So this is our value. So 7, 8 and 9. So I use, or I should not use these. I have to use not. So stop and run again. Okay, one bracket is less here, I add it. Okay, so 7 and 8. For not means A not equal to B, so A value should not be the value of B. Both variables should not have same value. If they don't have same value, so it shows true. Okay, it shows true. Okay, I will type here So I entered the third one. So 1. I didn't require third one variable, but I just using 2. So it is just extra parameters that I run for the first one program, the OR and okay. I run again. 8 and 9, so 1, they both A and B is not equal, so it shows true. Okay, when they are not equal, then it shows true. Not less than, not greater than, whatever value you want, you can use for that. Okay, if both the same, then it shows false, because it should be not equal to. So this is the whole program for logical operators, and in future, in the next tutorials, we are going to use this, because this has a much more weightage in the programming languages, because all the operations done by these logical operators, and we should know that how it works and how it's not, and how it shows the true and false, because in the conditional statements it's play a very important role. So I hope you understand that how it's work, the logical operators, and what is and or and not, and thanks for watching this.